When you're ready for quality food at a great price, head over to Huddle House, where we've been cooking meals fresh to order for nearly 50 years, like our MVP breakfast, eggs, hash browns, bacon or sausage, a waffle, and more, all for only $5.99. Only at your neighborhood Huddle House.
Have turned for a local businessman after running successful restaurants. He now has to file for bankruptcy. And senior reporter Wayne Koval found out which of his restaurants are closing and which are staying open, and how all of this is impacting workers.
Everyone's worrying about it. I mean, it's crazy.
Byron Burke isn't sure how long the doors where he works will stay open.
When Blackstone shut down, I was completely shocked. Everybody was.
My understanding was they were open one day and closed the next.
Antonio Campbell,
yeah, it was a good job. Very good job.
Was the manager of the Blackstone Huddle House up until a week before it locked its doors.
And you're owed how many paychecks?
2.
Campbell says 3 Huddle House franchises run by the same local owner closed their doors. The Dinwiddie County restaurant remains open.
I last got paid last Thursday.
How did you get paid?
Cash, and we usually get paid checks, and now it's cash.
And cash is all the Dinwiddie restaurant currently accepts.
Well, I saw on the sign that on their front door that they aren't accepting cards, only cash.
CBS 6 has learned the franchise owner has filed Chapter 11 bankruptcy. Court records showing he owes back taxes to the state more than $83,000, Appomattox County more than $21,000, Blackstone more than $3,300, and Dinwiddie nearly $2,000.
Always had a great experience with Huddle House.
But there are faithful customers who want to see this restaurant succeed.
I eat here quite often. It's very good any time of the day.
Employees of this Huddle House in Dinwiddie say they're undergoing a name change, but they say their biggest concern is making sure that the doors stay open and they continue to get a paycheck. Working for you in Dinwiddie, Wayne Koval, CBS 6 News.
I can actually say that I've never seen a Huddle House restaurant gone out of business. I've never eaten at one. Again, I don't know if it's just a southern thing or it's just in Virginia, but this is a former Huddle House, as you can see. Still got the salt shakers on there on the table. I want to look at their menu and see how their menu goes, what they what they serve here. The front side. Oh, they have benches out here that you can chill. Oh no, this is at another location. See you from this side. But again, yeah, I've never had a chance to eat at a Huddle House. I don't even know if I want to. You know, because I really don't do fast food and everything. So, trying to, you know, stay healthy as I can. But yeah, this is an abandoned Huddle House. Not much to it, as you can see. I didn't expect this video to be so quick, but That's what happens when you don't have, you know, a lot going on, but